Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Reddit username. So first thing is open the Reddit application, then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right, tap that. Here this will give you the profile. On the bottom you tap on setting. In this setting, you need to tap on general account setting for your username. Tap that. So if you tap on switch accounts and you will have your username. Reddit does not allow you to change your self-assigned username, and the only way to get around is to create another account. You're allowed to create as many accounts as you like, but you cannot sync one account with another. The only way you can change a Reddit username is if it was randomly assigned to you. So once your account has been created with a username, you no longer can change it. Hope this information was useful on whether you can change your Reddit username or not. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.